E73 error on Nest thermostat, causes and solution. So this error means your Nest is not getting power from the air conditioner's cooling circuit, specifically the RC wire if you do have it. So the error is going to look something like this, which will say no power to RC wire detected. In some cases, that could happen even if you don't have air conditioning or something like that. But again, for why you get the E73 error on this specific thermostat is that you don't have an air conditioner, heat-only system, but the Nest thinks you do, so it complains about missing RC power. Or the RC wire is loose and not inserted properly. Nest is picky, even slightly loose can go for the E73 error. System wiring was auto-detected wrong, and if Nest thinks RC exists, it expects a voltage. And finally, your furnace only powers RH, and most heat-only systems provide RH power only. So those are the first few things that can cause this error. But before anything, there is some solutions that does work for a few people. So before we continue, there's something some users said they had this error. It was a loose wire in the emergency cut off switch next to the heater. Then it pretty much just fixed. Another is that they noticed the breaker was tripped. They checked the unit and noticed the capacitor was not secure and fell up and short-circuited. They put a new capacitor and it worked. So as you can see, the problems can be very minimal and small. So it could be very specific in your situation. So make sure everything is done properly as well. But to continue to fix, the first step is to look specifically at these wires. So the RH and RC. If the RC is empty, you have a heat-only system, and Nest must not expect RC. If this is the case, you can go to the next step, but before that, if RC does have a wire, make sure it is fully inserted to the RC. The little button pushes down when you tug the wire. So if it's loose, it does cause that error. But if it's the other way around, then you can fix wiring in the Nest settings. So you can go to the thermostat itself and then go to settings, equipment, and then continue. It will show the wires that it thinks are connected, and if it shows RC but you do not have an RC wire, uncheck and remove RC and choose heat only when asked. This can clear the E73 error. The next 73 error fix is that if you only have these wires over here, which is the RH, the W, which should be this one, the white wire, and then C. So do this if you only have these wires. So most heat-only homes do have these wires only. If you see only these wires, you do not have cooling, no RC, no AC, and then this can go to the E73 is just a misconfiguration. So you can go ahead and fix this by setting your Nest to furnace or heat only mode in the equipment section. You can also optionally add a C wire if there is battery problems that can occur. So some E7 style errors happen if your Nest battery drops. So if your thermostat doesn't have a C wire, you can use and add a wire adapter or connect the furnace's C terminal to the Nest C. If you're not really confident about wiring and electrical stuff, then it's definitely much more safe to ask a professional to do so for your own safety and if you don't want anything to break as well and make something worse. Those are some things you can do to potentially fix this E73 error, or was it? But hopefully it can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.